Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making a fidget cube that you can also try if you have these stuff at home. So all you need is a pencil to trace the cubes, just trace the squares. Then you need cardboard. Then you need scissors. Chop, 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 chop. So what you need is you need to take your pencil and trace a line that will be your cube and cut it out. Mine is here already. I did my first cut. It's not the best, but okay. Then now you want to take it and you want to like do the same outline, the same type, so your cube can be an even cube, but it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to match perfectly, but I mean, it will conquer something. So just keep doing it. Don't mind. This is really hard. Okay, that wasn't the best, but okay, I gotta cut it still. And don't mind about the noises. My grandma's just watching TV. It doesn't have to be perfect like I told you before, because this is how I do it. Maybe you could have a different idea, but this is me doing it. And I got it. It's this. It doesn't match perfectly with it. Here are the two together. Doesn't match perfectly, but okay. And by the way, my cardboard that I'm using right now that I found somewhere has lines going down. Yeah, see, can you see them proper? Don't mind, this is just tape, but there's lines going down. So then it's easier for me, but I don't know about you and what happened with the piece of cardboard. So now I'm going to keep on tracing, so I'm gonna come cut you guys back when I have, and you also need 6 sides, so I'm gonna cut 4 more sides and see you then. So guys, I've cut it only 3. I only have 3 pieces. I'm gonna keep on cutting. Don't mind, that's just my security guard. See you then. Okay guys, so I have 6 cubes now. So now I'm gonna line them up and make them all into perfect squares, because I like you. This part is optional, but I really want it to be perfect because this is my dream right now to do it. And since I'm in my free time, quarantine, nothing to do, I can dish. So now all of it is lined up, and I just want to trim a bit. Don't trim too much. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna do this part. So now you have all the pieces, and wait. Okay guys, the next thing you need is a hot glue gun or any gun to connect your sides. So yeah. So right now Sala's here to watch me. I'm gonna connect this here, I guess. How do you connect this? Mama! Aha! Oh, never mind! Got it. I kind of got it. Now this is the impossible part. We need the glue gun. Okay, so I'm gonna hit you guys. Okay guys, so I plugged in the hot glue gun right now. It's plugged in. So now I need to wait for it to be hot, so I'll hit you guys back when it's hot. Okay guys, update on the hot glue gun. It's kind of hot. It's hot at the front, but it's not hot yet, and I'm not patient. I ain't a patient person if you don't know me. And why is it on my carpet? It's fine. Aha. So I have my 6 sides here. So I'm just gonna show you a little model of my thing. Okay guys, it's ready now. So I got my pieces here and ready to stick them. Okay guys, show. Yeah. Hold up. Never mind, guys. We're gonna do that step later. So right now, I'm gonna glue the thing onto the freaking cardboard. Yeah, now gotta go quickly before time runs out. Stick it on, and now, oops, gonna stick it on there and hold it like this. How did it already dry? Dried so quickly. I have to do that really fast, I guess. This one is probably really fast to dry. So, yeah. Okay. No, this side. There. Okay, so now I got the first thing already. Time to do the second one. It's gonna be so much fun. Stick it here. I don't know what's next. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to stick this side. And go. What, Sela?
Is that dried? Is that dried?
I don't think so. I don't know. Okay, guys. So this is my thing so far. It's working out so well. I love this glue. Oh, it's hot too. No. I'm gonna do the side first right now.
Wait. You can make a cube.
I know. That's what I'm making.
And you can like put the colors.
That's what I'm making.
I was watching that.
Sarah doesn't even know what I'm making. It's called a fidget cube. Have you ever heard of that?
Yeah.
What is a fidget cube?
If you be mad, then you just feel it.
Okay, that is hot. I think I kind of burned myself with it. It's fine. Oh my god. It went through the cardboard. Not really, but... So this is my cube so far. I need scissors later, but not now. Okay, now this is the weirdest part ever. The cube is very thin and silky. Okay, now I got my glue gun. I'm gonna cut. Oops. Three.
Can I feel if it's hot?
No, don't, please. It's really hot. It's burning hot. You can even feel it through the freaking
No,
cardboard.
this.
I don't think it's dried up, kind of. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so hard. Oh, guys, look at that stretch. And that stinky.
Did it dry?
It dried already. Ah, that is hot. Okay. It says I learned never to touch that. Okay, I'll do this side. This one is smaller. I'm gonna hit you guys back when I'm done doing all the sides.
Whoa.
Oh my god, guys, I burned myself so many freaking times. My hands are burning.
You're like on fire.
I'm not scared of the hot glue gun anymore because I've got burned a gajillion times.
Yeah,
which is very fun, and that is really freaking hot.
Yeah.
And I just burned myself once again.
And guys,
Oh my god, flip it.
Guys,
flip that thing over and
if it dries, it goes like this.
you know that. Okay. And I made it. Yay! I made a cube. Cube. Okay, now we gotta cut all the edges.
Yeah, all the fidget.
Cut what? A cube.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Fidget.
Cut these
Sorry.
days. Bro, I got burned so many times and now my hand is like hurting so bad. But
Your
we
hand
made
is like
the cube. It's not the best, but I mean, okay. Okay, so now
It's still a cube.
it's time to do the fun.
What?
First, we need to go get the supplies for the fidget stuff. So
Can I help
let's go together while we let this sit and dry.
you?
Yes, sure. Let's go around my house and see what I have. Show. First thing I'm gonna get is probably straws. I don't have any. Let me go hunt for some. Okay, guys, I got 2 small straws. So now, what's next? Oh, baggy. What is it? No, this. I found it. Is cardboard. More cardboard. We love cardboard. Next on our list is sticks and stuff like that. So I have this. Where is it? I have these little stick stuff. Sorry if it's really dark right now. I got this stick controller thing. So yeah. Okay, next up on my list, is where is that thing? That cutting thing. I need it so bad. Let's see if I have any in stock. And guess what? I don't. I think I need something. So I'm gonna put them all in this little place. So what else do you need for fidgety stuff? Like something to like poke. Something to like poke. So I got this. So I'm gonna have let's see. Guys, I literally cannot find anything. What? We need some like buttons or something. We don't have old headphones with buttons. We have headphones, but we don't have buttons on them. They don't have buttons on them. Is that even possible? Like, bro. What is that? I'm gonna go ahead, you guys, when I find some stuff. Okay, guys, I found one of these squishy things. So basically, I'm gonna glue them, and you can just like squish it around. One. So how many do I have already? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more stuff. This is basically like buttons. Yeah. I know. Let me go get some chop. Not really good. Okay. I'm gonna hit you guys back. Hey guys, so I could not find anything else that's fidgety. So I'm just gonna do the same on the same side. Please don't don't trouble me. No hate. I literally cannot find. I literally searched my entire house for like 30 freaking minutes. Okay, so let's go and make this actually happen. So guys, we are finally back outside. And I'm really wet because I was searching in the water. Don't know why. So our cube has been has been pretty much dried. Sorry if it's not that. It's a cute cube, Come back. So now we're gonna start super gluing our things. And oh my god, our super glue has been melting. I forgot to close it. Oopsie daisy. So just gotta blob a little drop on there. Okay guys, we got our first thing on. Next one. Move your hands, Salah. Don't take the dry ones. Salah's now obsessed with the dry one, guys. God. I'm gonna stick another one onto it another side because I told you no hate. I couldn't find anything. I stuck it on. Okay, now we need scissors to cut a small little square for the texture area.
one.
Okay, I got a small thing for the texture. I'm gonna put it on here. You got it, you got it, I was good. You got it, you got it, I was good. You got it, I was good. You got it, I was good. Ow, hot. Oh, okay, so now we need to take out the straws. I'm gonna cut only this stretchy bit. Yeah. Cut. Cut. And cut. And now cut it here.
Cut so many times.
Okay, so now you have this stretchy bit, so you can pull it and close it up. Yeah. Put that one right there. So take it,
Guys,
and stick it onto that. And for extra decoration, I'm gonna put hot glue on
Guys,
top of it.
you know I can't get her kind of with this. So yeah.
So while that dries, we can get the next one. Start it up, load it up,
Load it up.
load it up.
Guys, I love that one because I
That-
can like play with it.
Oopsie daisy. Don't touch it, Stella. Oh my god. Guys, this girl, she's not. No, I just put it like this. Oh, Stella. So annoying. Okay, now next side. Oof, that was the biggest blob ever. Into connected. Okay, guys. So while that is drying, where did those squishy things go?
Or if you have to get a new one.
God, where did it go? I can find it. There's only one more side, right? Yeah, one more side. Okay. One more side till we finish this cute. So hot glue.
Hot glue gun.
Sorry, I'm not having a pen with me because we're busy.
Is it fidgety?
There, yeah. You can press it down and yeah. I'll let it sit for a hot minute. Okay. I just want to do chorus. And cut it off like that. Cut. Okay. I don't think we should do that, so. Okay, good. Sarah, oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm gonna hit you guys back later. Okay, guys, so this is how the cube turned out. I really love it. So let me show you guys each side. This side we have the controlling place, which I absolutely love. Next we have another controlling place. Then we have these things, so you can just stretch them and put them back down. And we also have another one here. Then we have like a switch here kind of, so you can press it. It's really bouncy. And it fell out. How? Oh my god, my glue gun is pretty annoying sometimes. I'm gonna make a big stack of glue so it can actually stick. So that's the thing. Then we have, last but not least, we have the texture right here. So that's it for today. And if you can try these at home and you will probably succeed better than me. This is just a horrible design, but I mean, why not try? So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please smash that like button and make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.